Lee from BGSS. I'm at the Digital City Festival in Manchester, showcasing one of our partners' IoT solutions. We call it IoT For Good. It's not just talking about Alexa turning the lights on, it's helping developing countries do clean cooking. So what we have is a gas canister with a smart meter device on top that allows a small amount of fuel to be dispensed once a micropayment via SMS message is sent. So what this does is it means that the people in Kenya, Tanzania aren't having to dig up coal and burn the unhealthy fumes and inhale them in their homes. So just as a quick demo, if I was to top up £5 or 5 pence or 5 seconds in this instance worth of fuel, what that'll do is it'll allow me to cook my eggs for 5 seconds. Thanks.